Hey everyone, if your Samsung phone keeps getting spam or unknown calls, you're not alone. But the good news is you can block them instantly. Let me show you how. Go the phone or call app. This is the app you normally use to make or receive calls. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Tap on it to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Call Settings page where you can customize different call-related features. Now, scroll through the options until you find Blocked Numbers and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see different blocking options. Look for the setting that says Block Calls from Unknown Numbers or something similar. By default, this option is usually turned off, which is why unknown callers can still reach you. To activate it, simply tap the toggle switch next to it. Once enabled, your phone will automatically block calls from numbers that are not saved in your contacts or are hidden private numbers. This feature helps reduce spam and gives you a more peaceful calling experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out more helpful tips.